Timothy Rex here, and if y'all remember the about yesterday's video, I had to delete it. Uh, yeah. And I'm back with Spy Jelly, uh, friend from school. Wait a minute, uh, that's your problem, not mine. Yeah, okay. Where is your what? Where's your dealership? Yes, I did join. Um, somewhere near. Okay, somewhere near. Okay, fine. Green Mercedes car. Yeah, I get that. Okay. No, I absolutely don't. Oh, wait, you what the? Oh! My car just went into the place for a second. It just glitched for for no reason. Eh, the camera just always ah. What? What do you mean? Yes, I can. Okay, I just want to buy a car. That's all. Oh God, it's too near to not real. It's not that really good. Uh, is it trash? Oh, oh, oh. Oh, lol. This car look good, but it's not that good. Ooh, Chevron Cameron. Ooh. Mm, let's start somewhere slow first. Grab that. Mm, Oh yeah, yeah. That's what you get for get. That's what you get for buying a fat car. Ha 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 ha. What about the Lamborghini Countach? What the Lamborghini? The other Lamborghini? The what? The classic one? Fine. So the old one is trash. Hey, no. Yes, it is very low. It's, yeah, okay. Mm, mm, Uh, I am a newbie. Ron. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Uh, sorry. It's just my voice. It's just my voice. It's deeper lately. How you crash? Uh, it's because you have more in your mind than me. I have less in my mind and you have more. You get what I'm saying? O- Okay, just jump. Nope. Yep. This is what happened to me last time when I was in your car. Okay. Also, I buy new car. The tire one car, the class one, the class one. Volkswagen Bug, Mini Cooper, Maxima, Mia, sure, luxurious, Hammer, Subaru, all that, all that stuff. Tesla, that's more type X that use robots. I don't have robots. I'm poor, bruh. Doing. What class is it? What class is it? REM. That's the high low. Um. Uh, oh, yeah, 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 yeah. I see, I see, I see. Did I not buy that? No, I didn't buy that. No. Ah, is is it because is it because it's faster, better, silence? You mean the gun that you have right now? You mean, oh, wait a minute. Are you using a Magnum right now? Seriously? Glock 18, 17, Glock 17. What? The Glock 17, I actually know. Is it real or is that or is that the, I don't know. But my favorite handgun, the Desert Eagle. What else? Is very, very weak. Oh, so what is it called? Hmm. Oh my God. Oh, see, I see, I see. Oh, yes, please. We have $1962. Most type three, something, something. I don't know. What do you mean? What do you mean? Oh my God. How, this is too much for me to handle. Oh my God. Eh? What the? Uh, I only see just wheels. It's just wheels. Oh, there we go. Oh, wait a minute. Is this the Tesmo thing, Bob? Tesmo Type X. Nice. Huh? Any quattro car? What type of class? What type of class? Hindi Civic RT type. Is that it? Hindi Hindi quattro. I don't know what is it. I don't know what is it. I don't know what is it. What is it? Formula car? What do you mean? Mm, Uh, I don't know what is it. Yes, I am dumb. I am dumb. Yeah, whatever. Uh, the I am the Tesmo Type X. The Hammer one out. Hammer. Oh, I see. I see. Oh, I see. I see. Oh, yeah. I see. I see. Oh, but it's class two. It's very very classy. Oh, what type of car is it? Okay, okay. Uh, hold on. Back on. Wait, what? You let me drive your car. Oh wait, excuse me. Bruh, I'll drive this car. Maybe. Okay, fine. Make sure you change it to green so it doesn't confuse me. Yes. Make sure it's yes. Why? Make sure it. Make sure you turn it green because yeah, because you like green. What do you mean? Really? It's very very good. What? Are you serious? Oh my god! Turn around. I turn around. Never mind. I oh, there it is. I see it. I see it. I don't know. I don't know how fast this car is. Eh. Oh my god. Wait, wait, wait a minute. Wait, this car can drift. Where are you at, bro? Where are you at? My shop. I'm at the race.